everybody. Welcome to Great Day, Colorado.
Today we have Billboard charting pop singer and songwriter Caley Rose live with us in studio. Great to have you here,
Thank
Caley.
you for having
Welcome
me.
in studio. Okay, so she has actually dedicated her life to empowering women and students by creating music with a message to bring confidence tools into schools. That's what you say. I really like that. That's clever. Welcome to Great Day, Colorado.
Thank you.
We're going to have you on all morning long.
Woo.
Yeah, but first and foremost, we want to learn about you, when you started doing this and why you do it.
Yeah, just about a year and a half ago, I woke up thinking about how I was bullied in school.
Really?
And yeah, in 5th grade, and it really affected my confidence for a very long time. And I wanted to help kids through that experience. And I already had all this empowering original music, so I paired the music with the message, hey, and created music with a message to help prevent bullying and get kids through bullying.
I love that.
Yeah.
What an amazing thing.
So why is this self-confidence, this teaching of that self-confidence so important?
It is so important because it affects literally everything in our lives. You know, if you guys were here and you didn't have confidence in yourselves, it would be really hard to do what you're doing, you know, doctors, pilots. So our self-confidence affects everything we do, and our thoughts are with us every single moment of every single day. And that's one skill that schools are working on teaching now, so I want to help them build those social emotional learning skills.
And have you found that it works? That music is a powerful tool in really getting to these children and allowing them to understand the important message behind it all?
Yeah, because I mean, I'm sure you guys have songs that have been in your head since you were a kid.
Yeah.
And I do.
Yeah.
I'm from Buffalo, and I have
sure.
this Erie Canal song in my head. I can't get it out, but it doesn't.
The Erie Canal, there, Great Lakes.
There
you go.
It doesn't serve me. And so if we have a song that builds our confidence and tells them we are brave, we can stand up to bullies, that will affect our self-conscious, or excuse me, our subconscious, and it'll last us our entire lives. So music aids memory in that way and builds our self-confidence.
Wow.
So we were both listening to some of your music
Yes.
earlier. Your music definitely has a message, right? What do you think that is?
I do not want kids to feel alone in what they're going through, so I aim to do that with my music, and I really want them to keep going, because that's what's going to help them get through getting bullied, any hardship ever in their lives. We all experience hardship, so that resilience through music is what I'm trying to teach and impart.
It's really amazing. And I have a few questions for you. Is there a certain age range of children that you work with primarily?
Yeah, it's funny. I created this for middle school girls like me, but a lot of schools have wanted me to speak to all students, so then it's brought in. So now I've performed for 18 months to 18 years, and adults. I still perform for adults, but the program is really enjoyed by elementary schools and middle schools, and I'm doing a couple high schools too.
Hey,
so
just about everybody.
Yeah, it's different depending on my audience. I'm not going to talk to high schoolers about the resilience of tying their shoes. You know? They're beyond that.
Yes.
But bullying and cyberbullying, you know, affects everyone. So
It absolutely does.
Yeah.
So
This day
what
and
all
age.
are you doing here in Colorado?
I am performing at a couple different schools in Colorado, a high school, an elementary school next week, and I'm also performing at So Far Sounds on Friday.
Oh my gosh,
I'm
you're
here.
all over the place.
Yeah,
and
I'm
you're
happy.
here. So you guys can actually listen to her music this morning because you are sticking around.
Yeah.
You're going to play for us. You're
Yes.
already set up here.
Yeah.
Thanks for being here.
Thank
we
you for
appreciate
having
you and what
me.
you
Thank
do.
you.
Yeah, more information right here. Music with a message is empowering students.
Well, you're watching Great Day Colorado. I'm Chris Tomer.
And I'm Spencer Thomas. All right, you probably recognize this rock star here. Earlier, we introduced you to Billboard charting pop singer and songwriter Caley Rose.
Yeah, so she created a school assembly program and social emotional curriculum called Music with a Message. And now she's getting ready to perform one of her songs.
Yes, that's right.
Yeah.
So to give our viewers a little insight, maybe they weren't watching on the front end because we had you in studio. Tell us a little bit more about what you do and why.
Yeah, so Music with a Message is a confidence building school assembly program. I like to say it brings confidence tools into schools. So it's social emotional learning through empowering music.
Okay.
Yeah, and so I have kids up and moving. I have them with instruments working with me. They're volunteering. I have a song called Stand Up. So through that, I talk about standing up. I sing about standing up for yourself. And afterward, we talk about when is a good time to stand up for yourself or others. The kids are incredible. The answers that they give and the way they support each other during the assembly is incredible. And I have so many hands that I can't get everyone up there to work with instruments.
Yeah.
But it's a lot of high energy songs. This one I'm going to do today is called Brave Ones.
Okay.
It's one of our new ones. And this one is a little bit more singer-songwriter. But on the chorus, I have everyone saying, I'm one of the brave ones, I'm one of the brave ones, and all the lyrics with me.
Hey.
So, yeah.
There you have it.
Yeah.
All right. What do you say?
Yeah.
Take it away, my
All
friend.
righty.
All right, we'll give you the stage.
Thank you. Don't believe what the bullies say. They don't know you like you know you. I know it's hard, I've got the same scars. Sometimes the world's not ready for just how great you are. I know you wanna fit in, I know that you'll get through this. And what you've got to give is what we've all been missing. You're one of the brave ones. You're one of the brave ones. When you feel like giving up, when you feel like you're not good enough, you're one of the brave ones. You're one of the brave ones. When you're caught inside a storm, the other side can feel too far. Do one brave thing, and then do one thing more. Even lions learn to roar. I know that you can turn the tide when the voice in your head's not being kind. I hope instead you can hear mine. You're one of the brave ones. You're one of the brave ones. When you feel like giving up, when you feel like you're not strong enough, you're one of the brave ones. Let me hear you say, I am kind, I am strong. I'll get through this hard time. You are strong, you are kind. You'll get through this hard time. One more time, I am strong. Oh my goodness.
Hey, it's okay. Technical difficulties sometimes.
This is a
Hey, we got this.
lesson. When mistakes happen,
Yeah.
do we laugh about them?
It
Or
happens.
do
We
we?
need it.
Chris, we need the
Right?
muscles.
Are you hold it?
Yep, we're gonna hold it for you,
right.
and you're gonna play.
Are you okay?
Yes.
When mistakes happen, do we laugh about them or do we beat ourselves
See,
up,
that's
right?
the lesson in
we
all of
keep
this.
going, we're resilient.
Stuff
Oh my
happens.
gosh, you guys are amazing.
Hey, that's
All right.
okay. Hey, we're gonna give you guys some more information right now. You rock. Thank you
Thank
so much for
you.
coming in. That was
Last
a beautiful
chorus.
song.
Thank
iTunes,
you.
is that right? You think it-
Yes, iTunes, Apple Music,
Yeah,
all the
all that kind of
places.
stuff.
You can
Hey.
find the music of music with a message in my music.
There you go. That's
my
called
goodness.
rolling with it, everybody.
It is.
All right. Here you
All
go.
right, so
We're the
Music
brave
with a
ones.
Message is empowering students in school assemblies. Caley will be performing October 9th through the 16th in Denver, Boulder, and Eagle County. And if you're interested, she's willing to do more. So just look her up. She can have an assembly at your school. Just visit CaleyRose.com/music with a message. You can